Waitlisting is an essential part of the course enrollment process, especially for heavily sought-after courses. When the waitlist opens, you may begin adding up to 10 waitlist credits. You can see when the waitlist opens by going to your MyUCSC portal, selecting the Enrollment tile, the Enrollment Dates tab, and then selecting the correct quarter. To view your position on the waitlist, first click on Class Schedule in the left navigation. Your waitlisted classes will be shown on this page, and your waitlist position is shown in the Waitlist Position column. Your waitlist position will be skipped if you have a time conflict or have attempted to enroll in more than your allotted credits, so it's very important to be conscious of this when enrolling in classes and waitlisting. If you are still on the waitlist at the start of instruction, attend the first class meeting to find out if you will be able to enroll. You may be dropped from the class for not attending the first meeting. To enroll in a waitlisted class, select the Add tab at the top of the page and select the correct quarter. If you have the class in your shopping cart, it should be listed. If not, type in the 5-digit course number in the left or use the search feature to search for the class. Select the class and check the Waitlist if class is full box and select Next. If you would like to drop a course that you are currently enrolled in if you become enrolled in a waitlisted course, you can indicate this in the If Enrolled, Drop This Class drop-down menu. Review your selection and then select Proceed to Step 2 of 3. To complete the enrollment, click on Finish Enrolling. A checkmark under the Status column means that your enrollment was successful.